ASCO created a statement on biosimilars and oncology a year ago to really address the educational gaps for clinicians in oncology considering the use of these agents for patients. And it included education, place in therapy, the clinical and efficacy data and what needed to be evaluated for these drugs to be used, and then finally reimbursement and cost and value to the healthcare system. It was an initial foray into biosimilar use in cancer and will likely be updated as more information becomes available since it is a relatively emerging field. Yeah, so the FDA has a couple of unique approaches to biosimilar regulation and approvals. One is the differential term of interchangeability, which isn't present in other regulatory bodies and is an expected licensure based on the ability of a company to show that a compound can be switched back and forth in a prospective randomized multi-arm trial, which should theoretically give the clinician more confidence in moving from one agent to another within the same drug class. FDA has also tried to increase competition in the marketplace by creating a biosimilar pathway and certainly has fostered that competitive spirit through a different regulatory process. So biosimilar use in cancer really falls into three major areas. What I would say three different comfort areas. One is supportive care, where patients would be given growth factors for white cell stimulation. Most clinicians feel very comfortable using biosimilars there. The metastatic setting, where a more advanced disease setting, and then finally the adjuvant setting, where the goal is cure. That's going to be the highest bar for clinicians to adopt biosimilar use based on the clinical scenario of the patient getting treated. The goal is cure, and utmost confidence in the drugs being used is really needed before most physicians are going to be 100% confident in using the drugs in that space.